Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh and I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe. So guys, for my today's video, I had decided to do a lipstick comparison video. There's going to be a little bit of change today as I did a poll on Instagram and I asked you people if you want to see a lipstick comparison between the Kat Von D lipstick and the Too Faced lipstick. But unfortunately, there's a mishap happened. So guys, this was the lipstick that I was going to show you guys a comparison of with Kat Von D lipstick of the shade Lolita, and this is the shade Sell Out. So guys, unfortunately the only thing I'm left with is the box of this lipstick. I only have the box left with me because unfortunately this is the first time that something like this has happened with me. But when I had my portfolio shoot back on 16th of March, and I had taken this lipstick with me to apply on my model, and I don't know, maybe it fell somewhere or somebody stole it, but not able to find it when I wanted to shoot the video. And so there are a bit change in plans now, so I will be doing a lipstick comparison on these two brands. This one is the Smashbox and this one is the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. So these two shades are of the similar shade tone, and I thought that a lipstick comparison between these two brands would also be great for you people. So once I buy that lipstick again, I would do a comparison on that very soon guys. But till then, I hope you guys enjoy this comparison video, and without further ado, let's just get down into the video now. Guys, so as you can see that I have just changed my lip color. So I have applied this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick on my lips so that you guys can see how it looks on my lips. And I will be telling you about both these shades and I will be swatching them for you guys as well. But I just want to show you each of the outer packaging first. And so first starting off with this Jeffree Star outer packaging. So this is how the packaging looks, and this is the shade Gemini. So guys, I got this shade from Jeffree Star's website itself. I had to pay a little bit of customs, but I got two lipsticks from Jeffree Star's brand, and now I'll show you how it looks from the inside. So this is how the packaging is, and you can even see the shade right here because it's a transparent bottle. And there are a few stars which symbolize the symbol of the brand, and this is how the applicator looks. This is a doe foot applicator, and this has this curved shape right here, which is really easy to apply these lipsticks on guys. Packaging is so that even if you pull out a lot of product, the cap is made in such a way that you will not have too much of product on the doe foot, and you will get this kind of pigmentation on your lips in just one swipe of the product, and it's a very good quality lipstick guys. Now moving on to the Smashbox one. This is how the inner packaging looks guys, and this also has a transparent bottle to it and this matte cap which looks really luxurious, and it has a different kind of applicator to it which is really flat, and it has a curved pointed tip to it for applying the lipstick properly and making your lip shape with it. And these two are very similar in terms of shade. I will just show you guys both of it on my hand. So guys, first off, talking about the price of each one of this. So the Smashbox one costs 2100 rupees and it's easily available in India. You can buy it from Nykaa or from the Smashbox stores itself, or even from the Nykaa Lux stores. And the Jeffree Star one retails for $31 exactly. So this retails for 2300 or so, and this is a little bit on the pricier side. So if you have any friend or relative or your family living in abroad, you can obviously ask them to buy it for you and then they can get it for you to India, because this is by far my most favorite liquid lipsticks till now guys, and I'm sure I'm gonna stock up on these. Really good guys. You can see it's a little bit of a nudish pink toned lipstick and it really goes well with the Indian skin tone. And talking about the quality of these two guys, so I would just like to show you how both of them look on my lips first, and then we will talk about each one of them separately. this is how the hand swatch of the lipstick looks like. It is a very mattifying lipstick, guys, and obviously liquid lipsticks are really matte, and once you apply it, it will have a little bit of gloss to it, but once it settles down in 20 seconds, it's going to be completely matte. And talking about the wearability of this lipstick, guys, I have applied this lipstick for around 12 hours. I obviously had to touch it up in between. If you have any oily food, you need to touch up your liquid lipsticks as well. But it doesn't really crust your lips, or it doesn't really gives you flaky patches. All you need to do before applying this is to put a nice moisturizing lip balm that I always do with each and every lipstick that I apply. May it be a creamy lipstick also, a moisturizer, lip balm is a must for your lips, guys, so that you can really nourish your lips before you apply any lipsticks. And this is a very, very beautiful color, guys. It feels so soft on your lips, and it's really not at all chappy also. See, and I have already applied this lipstick for an hour before shooting this video. I really wanted to show you guys how it even looks after an hour of application, and this is how it looks in just one swipe. And you don't need to apply a lot of layers and just a lot of product on your lips. It's just one. It was just once that I dipped my applicator in the product, and this is the kind of payoff I got, as you saw in the video also. Okay, guys, so now if I'm not sure if you guys can make out the difference, but I have applied the next lip color, which is the Smashbox lip color. It's on my lips, guys, and I just applied it a second back, and this is how mattifying it looks. And I'll just show you the hand swatch of this lipstick, guys. So this is how it looks on the hand swatch, guys. You guys can see that both the shades look of the same family, and they have a very minor difference between them. So this is the one that I applied before. This was the Jeffree Star Gemini, and this is the Smashbox one. It's just going to be completely matte in a few seconds because I have applied a very thick layer on my hands. Not on the nudish pinkier side, but this is a pure pinky shade, and I'm sure this is going to suit a lot of light to medium skin tone people. And on darker skin tones, these shades are going to look very beautiful, kind of nudes. And this is the Smashbox one that I'm wearing on my lips right now, and this is also not chappy, but after a few hours of application you might see a very weird kind of line that keeps coming on your lips. So you need to just keep on touching up the Smashbox lipstick after every 3 to 4 hours, guys. And I know both the lipsticks are a very high-end lipstick brand, but for me the better lipstick between these two would be the Jeffree Star one. And I can swear by this lipstick, guys, because I have been using this for the past 1 year, and after using this for so long, I have decided to make a comparison video between these two. And both are liquid lipsticks, both are mattifying, but this does not crust off, and this stays on for a really longer time. The Smashbox one is also really nice because the colors are so beautiful, and the shades also. So guys, with that we will wrap up the video for today, and I hope you liked this comparison and it was easier for you to choose which one is better, and you got to hear a lot about the pros and cons and how they actually look on my skin tone. So if you guys are planning to buy any of these lipsticks, do share that with me on my Instagram, guys. And please follow me there because I keep posting a lot of beauty makeup tutorials there also. I post a lot of IGTVs and my new makeup posts there. So guys, with that, I hope all of you are doing great, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, guys, be positive and keep sharing love. Bye, guys.